Oh my gosh. There is a big... That thing is huge, big fish. All right, let's calibrate this thing. So right here I'm calibrating the GPS so that the spot lock will function properly. It asks you to do 2 full circles, and then it's going to make a audible beep, and that means that the GPS is locked in. Out here at Castaic, only got the rear camera today. Out here with my boy Chris, hook a brother up, and my boy Cheethoe at the Lagoon. I got up a little late this morning, so I'm just meeting them out here right now. I'm about 30-45 minutes late, but excited to be out here. I know there's some big fish here. Last time I lost one, so hoping to get a little redemption today. But anyways, let's see what we can get. They see me rolling. It says only 2 feet of water. My motor's good, right? I'm scared, bro. It's a new investment. Morning, fellas.
What's up? We ran over about 5 fish already.
Really? Any bites?
No, I didn't.
Does sometimes it freeze itself though?
Sometimes. I'll show you how to take it off, didn't I?
Yeah, please.
Just lift your motor out, turn it off.
I just saw boil right here, Cheethoe.
Where?
Right behind that little thing sticking out of the water right here. Right here. Look, yeah, right behind that thing. So do I pull it out?
Pull it out.
Pull it up.
Right there.
Oh
Now spin it. Now turn it on.
Oh.
Watch out, you might get a whole bunch of crap in your face, but yeah.
Bro. Look at that, dude.
Skillful, huh?
Like you know what you're
A
doing.
little bit.
Are you on something over there by the Tulies?
They're in there?
They are, huh? It's hard to fish that spot.
Up on the tree.
Hey, do you have, I know you got something for me, a white or like some kind of white clear translucent bait I can use for, I'm using these robo worm hooks.
I have this color.
Okay.
Is that the color you're looking for?
Yeah, I think that's good for like clear water. Is this good?
Yeah, because they look just like the shad.
Exactly. Oh, dude, that's funny. That's perfect. This will last for a while too. It's good size. And you can cut it in half. Oh, that's the guy. That's the guy, Chris.
Yeah, what else you need?
That's it, bro. Thank you.
Come to my shop.
That's it, man. I'm trying to... Dude, there is so much grass here, but it's good practice, man, because I don't know.
When you go to clear, like you see that, see this behind you?
Yeah.
Like that patch of grass? That's what when you go to Clear Lake,
Isolated patches like that?
that's all it's going to be. Yep.
Flip that, huh?
It's going to be all like this, but it'll be all the way to the surface.
I can't believe I didn't have that recording. That sucks. That's it. Real short video today, guys. I had a really good time out at Castaic. Had all kinds of GoPro issues, unfortunately. It was actually tripping my lithium battery, so I have to reassess that whole situation. But just grateful for like Chris giving me that robo worm and that color that I needed. I ended up catching the fish on the drop shot. And good times with Cheeto. He ended up getting a blow up on the rat, so that was pretty awesome. And yeah, looking forward to the next outing. And appreciate you guys for watching. And don't forget to smash that like and subscribe button. Peace.